Hi, Chef Jay here. Today I'm going to make salmon roll, an easy to make at home sushi roll with salmon and cream cheese. You will need 400 grams of cooked Japanese rice, 3 nori sheets, 200 grams of salmon fillet, 140 grams of cream cheese, 1 handful of lettuce. For the sushi vinegar, you will need 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 1/2 tablespoon of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Step 1. Blend rice vinegar, salt, and sugar well in a small bowl to make sushi vinegar. Step 2. Transfer the cooked rice to a large bowl and gradually pour the sushi vinegar mixture over the rice while gently mixing it with the rice paddle. Mix until the rice is evenly coated with vinegar. Be careful not to mash the rice. Step 3. Cover the bowl with a wet cloth while preparing the other ingredients. Allow the rice to cool to room temperature before making sushi rolls. Step 4. Rinse the lettuce and pat them dry with a clean kitchen towel. Step 5. Cut cream cheese into 1 cm strips. Step 6. Cut salmon into 1 cm strips. Step 7. Place the bamboo sushi mat and nori sheet. With a rice paddle or your hand, gently spread the sushi rice evenly over the nori sheet. Leave 1 cm of the nori uncovered at the top. Step 8. Place the lettuce, salmon, and cream cheese in the center of the rice. Swap the cream cheese and salmon positions and add 1 more layer of each. Step 9. Use your middle finger to hold down the fillings. Lift the mat with your thumb and start rolling from the front until the end of the rice. Apply gentle pressure to shape the roll. Step 10. Wet the knife with the damp cloth and cut the salmon roll into bite-sized pieces. I hope you enjoyed this refreshing salmon roll. Thanks for watching and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.